Bridging the gap in enterprise drone applications for enhanced efficiency and safety, FlytBase, the leading enterprise drone autonomy platform, has unveiled Flinks, a new feature designed to streamline the integration of the FlytBase platform with a multitude of third-party applications and devices. Dubbed Flinks, short for FlytBase Links, this innovative offering functions as a cohesive layer that enables organizations to orchestrate fully autonomous and efficient drone operations through end-to-end automated workflows. Addressing fragmentation in drone systems, the enterprise drone ecosystem often presents challenges with system coordination, where activities such as flight management and airspace monitoring are operated on disparate platforms. This disconnection not only complicates collision avoidance, especially during beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) operations, but also heightens the risk of accidents. Similarly, manual processes involved in data transfer from drones to analysis applications are both time-intensive and error-prone. Many enterprises deploy various internal systems like computer-aided dispatch (CAD) systems, video management systems, or alarm systems to monitor operations and deploy drones to specific locations for inspection. The lack of integration between these platforms can result in inefficient manual processes and compromised operational safety. We are introducing Flinks to bridge this gap between the enterprise stack and drone operations. It allows users to effortlessly connect the FlytBase platform with critical business systems such as alarm systems, video management, data processing, and more. By eliminating the need for complex, time-consuming manual interventions, Flinks enables enterprises to seamlessly incorporate autonomous drones into their existing operations. Moreover, enterprises with unique needs can build their own integrations with just a few clicks without the need for complex code, stated Nitin Gupta, founder and CEO of FlytBase. Capabilities and integrations. Flinks offers 6 types of integrations to enhance drone operations. Alarms. Integration with various alarm systems to respond to incidents detected by motion sensors, fire alarms, and dispatch systems. Data processing, a connection to applications for generating high-resolution maps, surface and 3D models, and reports tailored to specific needs. Live streaming, linking drone and dock video feeds with video management systems, VMS, and other video analytics applications for enhanced site security and incident response. Mission and logs, exporting detailed mission data and logs to applications that manage resources, batteries, and flight logs. Detect and avoid, integrating cooperative and uncooperative aircraft detection systems to ensure safety and compliance with airspace regulations. UTMs, linking with unmanned traffic management systems for real-time airspace awareness. Expanding partnerships and access, FlytBase is not only enhancing its Flinks library but is also inviting developers of applications like VMS, drone data processing, or analytics tools, and flight safety systems to integrate with FlytBase through Flinks. This partnership opportunity offers access to FlytBase's extensive global network of drone service providers, system integrators, and enterprise customers, facilitating a broader reach and impact.